Hi, my name is Joe Lento. I'm an estate planning attorney and the owner of Perennial Estate Planning with offices located in New Hampshire and Massachusetts. And today's question is, how do I go about getting a power of attorney for my parents? And naturally, whenever anyone calls me about this, immediately red flags go off because I don't know if that person is acting with the best interest of the parent in mind. So the first thing I do is I try to set up a meeting with the parent individually without the child being there, just to make sure that everything's on the up and up. I want to make sure there's no undue influence. I want to make sure that the parent has sound mind. And I also want to be very clear on what powers the parent wants to give the child. And just be aware that if you're the child calling on behalf of the parent, ultimately the parent is obviously the client of the attorney, not you calling on their behalf. And that applies even if you're the one paying the bills. So when you call an attorney, if they start acting skeptical or asking you a bunch of questions, don't be surprised, because naturally they don't want to get sued or be held liable for drafting a document that ultimately was done improperly. Also be aware that once the document is drafted, it does need to be notarized. So once again, if your parent does not have sound mind, meaning if they have dementia or Alzheimer's, they cannot sign that document and they cannot give you those powers. For more information about this, you can visit perennialestateplanning.com.